Once upon a time, in the vast, twinkling sky, there lived a little star named Scar. Scar was not like the other stars. He was small and glowed with a soft, golden light. Scar was always curious and loved to explore the night sky. He wanted to learn about the wonders of the universe, but he was too small to travel far. One night, Scar overheard the older stars talking about a mysterious planet called Earth. He was intrigued and decided to embark on a journey to find this planet. Scar traveled for many nights, his soft, golden light guiding him through the dark. He passed by sparkling comets, dancing planets, and swirling galaxies. Finally, after many nights and days, Scar found Earth. It was a beautiful planet, shimmering with blue oceans, green forests, and white mountains. Scar was amazed. He wanted to share his discovery with the other stars, but he was too small to reach them. So, he decided to send a message of hope and excitement, shining brighter than ever before. The older stars saw Scar's bright light and were amazed. They rushed to Earth to see the wonder for themselves. They found a beautiful planet, teeming with life and full of mystery. From that day forward, Scar was no longer just a small star. He was the brave little star who had discovered a new world, and he shared his knowledge with the other stars, inspiring them to explore and learn. And every night, you can still see Scar, shining brightly in the sky, a reminder of the wonders that await us if we dare to dream and explore. The end.